Question number 29. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root over 3, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Okay, students, firstly, here has been given sin theta plus cos theta equal to root over 3. Now, squaring both sides, and here this square and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and in LHS it is in the form of identity a plus b whole square, so it can be expanded like this: sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta as it is equal to 3. Again, 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3, and this plus 1 goes to RHS and becomes minus 1. Again, sin theta cos theta equal to 3 minus 1, 2, and this 2 also goes to RHS over here, and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. In this way, here we have obtained sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now, according to this question, we have to prove tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Okay, now from here, firstly, just take this LHS part. Tan theta plus cot theta. Now, this tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, this cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now, LCM of cos theta and sin theta will be sin theta cos theta, and here will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1. Similarly, sin theta cos theta, it is also equal to 1. So, here we can see LHS is equal to RHS. So, it has been proved. Okay, now second question of 29. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. Okay, students, firstly, just take its LHS part, and in LHS it has cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, now let's divide all terms by sin A. So, cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by Sine A plus 1 also should be divided by sine A. Similarly, all terms in denominator also should be divided by sine A. Cos A divided by sine A plus sine A divided by sine A minus 1 divided by sine A. And here this sine A and this sine A can be cancelled out, and here also sine A can be cancelled out. And cos A by sine A, it is equal to, as we know, cot A minus, and here remains 1 plus, and 1 by sine A, it is equal to cosec A by, and here also this cos A by sine A can be written as cot A plus, and here remains only 1 minus, and 1 by sine A, it is equal to cosec A. Now let's arrange the terms in numerator. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1, and all terms in denominator as it is. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now let's proceed to next page. Okay, now cot A plus cosec A minus, and in place of 1 we can write cosec square A minus cot square A. How did it come? Vandakiri, we have identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Again, cosec square A and plus cot square A, it comes to LHS and becomes minus cot square A, and here remains only 1. So here 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. So I have written this instead of 1, right? Now in denominator, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is, gain cot A plus cosec A minus, and here cosec square A minus cot square A, it is in the form of identity A square minus B square, and its expanded form will be A plus B, A minus B, right? So let's assume this is A and this is B, so it can be expanded like this. Cosec A plus cot A cosec A minus cot A. And in denominator, copy as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now, again, let's proceed to next page. Okay, we have okay. Now, from here, cot A plus cosec A plus cot A can be taken as common. Cot A plus cosec A is common, so here remains 1 minus cosec A, and here minus into minus plus cot A, and in denominator as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And here we can observe, here is plus 1 and here also plus 1. Here is minus cosec A, here is also minus cosec A, and here is plus cot A, here is also plus cot A. So these two terms can be cancelled out, and here remains only cot A plus cosec A. It can be rearranged, cosec A plus cot A. Now, according to this question, we had to prove cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1, and it is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So finally, by solving LHS, we have obtained here cosec A plus cot A. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So it has been proved.